Hey guys, it's me, Christina Marie. I'm going to show you guys a recipe how to help with anti-aging. It's going to help you with your skin, your vitality, and the main ingredient here today is spinach. Yes, it is spinach right here. Just chopped it up in small little pieces because my kids eat more spinach if it's in small, tiny, chopped up pieces. So spinach has vitamin A, C, K, and E. And what I'm looking at more is the vitamin E that helps you with your skin quality. Now, you guys have seen these salads in the store. I got an Asian chopped salad. Yes, I did. Now, all I do is pour it into a container, a Tupperware like this. Get the chopped spinach. Now, remember, guys, spinach has protein and calcium, especially for my lady friends out there that we need a tad bit more calcium for our bone health. Well, guys need it as well, but I'm specifically talking anti-aging towards you women out there. Anyways, it has protein, fiber, magnesium, and potassium. So what does that mean? It helps you with some aches and pains. It helps you not cramp as much. Who wants to cramp as much on that time of the month? TMI, but it's true. Okay, so all I do is I just pour it into a Tupperware container like this. This is the way you're gonna get more for your money. Okay, so it comes with this dressing, and this is the best way to cover your salad and have less calories and all the flavor. So all I do is pour it in here, and also you're gonna get a workout in this video. Pop the top on it and shake it up. Now check this out. So turn it upside down, make sure the top's on really good, because I did that once and the top wasn't on really good and it spilt everywhere. And look at this. So when you open it up, every single little piece is completely covered in dressing, and it's not overly covered in dressing. I'm saving money. I'm getting more food out of this little container by adding spinach, and I'm getting all the nutrition that I need. So, like, once again, that vitamin K is going to give, not only does spinach help in your digestion, it helps like move everything along. It gives your skin like the best glow. If you can incorporate spinach into your diet every day, your skin is going to have that natural glow. Kind of like if you guys have ever been pregnant, you got that natural glow when you're pregnant because you have like double the amount of blood or something like that. But anyways, I promise you, your skin, your hair, everything is going to look good. You're going to feel great. And if you feel great and everything's just flowing, you have more energy, you look great. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you could, please give it a thumbs up. I am Christina Marie. Oh, FYI, please do, if you're going to buy spinach, this is the one thing that I must insist that you guys get in organic, because it's such a small leaf that you really don't want any pesticides or chemicals in that. Eating it in the raw form like what we're doing is the best way to do it. And once again, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will show you a picture of our dinner. I'm Christina Marie. I'm out. Bye. 100. Try the salad. Tell me what you think. Try the salad. The salad.
He's a carnivore.
He's just eating the brisket right now. Try the salad. Tell people what you think of the salad. What do you think of the salad, honey?
Absolutely phenomenal, and the presentation is unbelievable.
But I made it.
What can I say? I'm a pro chef.